So obviously Miss Argentina is green, so we're gonna start off with painting our skin. And for that I'm gonna use the Paradise Makeup, Mayron Paradise Makeup. And this is in the shade Amazon Green. So I got this on Amazon. It was like $12, I think. I don't know, I'll link it down below, the exact color I use. And I really like this color. It's not too light, not too dark. So it allows me to contour and highlight with this shade. So I love this one because after it's on, it doesn't stain. It's not patchy. And it's easy to apply. You just add water and that's it. So I'm gonna fast forward with doing this. I basically, since Miss Argentina wears a dress, I do my whole chest, my arms, my face, and my legs because, I mean, we have to go all out, right? We gotta be extra. Alright, so I'm gonna fast forward to this. So for now, I'm just going to do my face and my chest because I want to be able to do the rest of my makeup comfortably, and then I'll do the rest of my body. I also forgot to mention that you can also layer this up and it won't get gross. So I really like this product. Like if there's a costume you're gonna do that you need to paint your whole body, like I really recommend this brand. I love it. So for Miss Argentina's eyeshadow, she uses greens and blues. So I'm gonna use the Morphe and James Charles palette because he has a good variety of greens and blues here. So first I'm gonna dip into this lime green. It's not gonna show up that much, but it's gonna be a very good transition shade. And I'm going to add it all the way at the top of my brow bone. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of this yellow right here, just to give it a little highlight at the top of my brow bone. After that, I'm going to add this dark green right here and add it in my crease. And I'm using the same brush. After that green, I'm going to add some of this blue right here. And I'm just using the same brush because why not? Too lazy to grab other brushes, and my other brushes are dirty, so I'm just gonna use the same one. So I'm gonna add this blue at the outer corner. Then for my lash line, I'm gonna add a little bit of the dark green and the blue, mix them together and blend it in. Grab some of this lime green and blend it even further. So for the lid, I want to add a green glitter eyeshadow. So in the Masquerade Mini Juvia's Place palette, there's this green right here. Where is it? Right here. And I'm going to add it in my lid. Oh yes, I like it. In the middle of my lid, to add more of a pop, I'm going to add this light blue. In the center. So I'm going to add some Giza in my inner corner to give it a pop. And I'm also going to add and I'm also going to add it in my brow bone, but really lightly. Like barely any. So to contour my face, I'm going to add this NYX dark green eyeshadow. For highlight, since I already used this highlight in Giza, I'm gonna reuse it just a little bit and maybe mix it with the green. So I'll mix it with the green and highlight. Okay, so since Miss Argentina uses a wing liner, I'm going to add a small wing liner, and for that I'm excited to show you guys this new eyeliner I've been so in love with, and it's the Sweet Street Cosmetics eyeliner in Wing Queen. And this eyeliner is literally perfection. It's matte black and it glides in effortlessly. Like, if you are looking into a good eyeliner, I promise you, you will not regret purchasing this eyeliner. It's literally perfect. I love it. I love it so much. So for lips, I'm going to line my lips with this Catrice eyeliner in Prince Cherry. Okay. To fill in my lips, I'm going to add the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Lady Balls. And guys, so this is the final look. I painted my whole body, and for the cuts I used a eyeliner and I like did a straight line, and then with liquid lipstick I like messedly dragged it down. So yeah, that was easy. I'll insert pictures or videos of the whole look so you guys can see. For the lips, I added some glitter and I used this Lit Cosmetics sparkle kit with red glitter, and yeah, that's all I did. And yeah, I have to quickly run out to a Halloween party, and I hope you guys have a safe and happy Halloween this year, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!